A vision personified, where musicianship and precision coincide. This is the Martian Sound Machine, and you are about to experience Eagle Pride amplified. For the second portion of the show, Martian Sound Machine would like to dedicate this performance to you, James Madison University, for your excellent service as a collegiate academic hallmark for 100 years. And with that, we'd like to say, happy centennial anniversary to the Dukes of JMU. And now, join us as we take you all around the world.